Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture, we'll discuss how to create firefighting piping layout. So here we'll show you, see, so now what you have to do, in the previous lecture, if you remember, I have shown you the placement of sprinkler, calculation and placement of sprinkler system. Now we'll create the piping layout, okay? So for that, simply what you have to do here, you can also create manual piping layout, okay? Even here we have an option to create the automatic firefighting piping layout, okay? So for that, what you have to do, suppose here we have placed the sprinkler only in the ground floor, okay? So select the complete sprinkler from the ground floor plan. So for the selection of a sprinkler, what you can do, we have a multiple option. Either you can select one by one with the help of control key. Otherwise, one more option is given. Just select the complete plan like this. Then you can see in the selection panel, we have an option of filters. Hit on filter. Now what you want to select. So from the category, unselect the spaces and Revit link because I want to select only the sprinkler. So total 27 sprinklers are there in ground floor. So I have selected that all sprinkler, apply, OK. Now you can see only the sprinkler is selected. The color of selection color we have taken red color. You can change it as per your requirement. Okay. So right now the selection color is red color. So you can see the complete sprinkler is selected. Now after the selection of sprinkler, now see in the modify tab, create panel, here you will get the option of piping. Okay, so hit on this piping. Now see one dialog box will appear here. In the system type, which type of pipe you are drawing. So see, by default, fire protection wet pipe is there. And our main, see now, which layer we have created, fire wet pipe layer already we have created. So if you want to select that, hit on that fire wet pipe. In the system name, just leave it as it is, FWP1, correct? Then hit on OK. Is it clear? Now you can see in the layout panel we have one option, generate layout. Hit on generate layout. Now here you can see you will get the layout like this. So we have a two option. Either you can use this layout if you want, okay? Otherwise the second option, see in the option bar you can just hit on next solution. So you will get this type of layout. So it is depend on you which layout you want. Okay. So let's say I am using the first one, this type of layout. Okay. So whatever layout you want, you can select it from here. Two solutions are there. Clear? Now come here, hit on setting. Here see, you have to set the height. Main pipe height is what? And which type of pipe you are using. So first of all, hit on main pipe. In the pipe type, see, you have to select the fire pipe. Okay. And offset means at what height you are running the fire pipe. So here I am giving, let's say 11.5. Okay. Because false ceiling is at 10 feet and we are running the fire pipe above the false ceiling. So let's say I have given the offset 11.5. Same way for branch line, select the branch. Here also same thing you have to do. Pipe type is fire pipe and the offset value here also I am giving 11.5. Okay. Then hit on OK. Is it clear? Now finally hit on finish layout. See now here the layout is ready. Just hit on find from here to see the double line diagram and now you can see. In 3D if you want to see, here we have created the piping layout. Even let's see in shaded view. Can you see how the pipe is connected? Automatically you will get the T fitting, elbow and everything. Okay. So same way again I am in ground floor plan. So this is our pipe. Now water is coming from where? From the pump. Okay, from the fire water tank. So that I will show you how to place the pump and tank. So first of all, see what I am doing. From here because see, this is our OTS, means shaft. From here only we have to take the pipe up to the first floor plan, second floor plan. Okay, so what I am doing, just select this pipe, right click, create similar option is available, hit on create similar. Now from here just draw one main pipe. Okay, let's say this is our main pipe. So our main target is to take the pipe where, like this, see here, from the OTS we have to take the pipe to the OTS. Okay, so here I am taking the pipe like this and create the riser pipe. Okay, so that I will show you how to create. So is it clear? In this way generally we have to create the firefighting piping layout. Now if you want to create the riser pipe, simple, what you can do, hit on section, and here you have to draw one section like this. Better is to work in section, right click, go to view. See here I have not done the pipe sizing. Okay, that I will explain you in the next lecture. See now, just extend it, because we have to take this pipe up to the third floor plan. So okay, now see, this is your pipe, select it, right click on drag point, draw pipe option is available, and take the pipe up, see, in this way. Okay, and leave it here. So in this way you can create the riser pipe. You can see here in 3D view the riser pipe we have created. Okay, like this. Is it clear? Now next thing, come here in the ground floor plan and remove this section. Now one more thing, we have to do the placement of zone control wall assembly. Okay, that I will explain you in the next lecture. So here I have shown you how to create the firefighting piping layout. Hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.